and today we are looking at Canoo Inc. and taking a quick look at how the stock performed this week and how they closed up the week. So today Canoo during the regular trading session went up 5.71% and closed the regular trading session at $3.52. In the after hours, the stock went up a further 0.85%, closing the week at $3.55. So if we look at the 5-day graph of Canoo, you can see that even though there's a serious downturn in the market with slowdown even affecting EV manufacturers like Tesla and other majors in this sector, Canoo has been defiant and bucking the trend, going upwards instead. And that is quite impressive considering that Canoo is yet to begin production either at its Oklahoma or Arkansas plant. However, the CEO of Canoo, Mr. Aguilar, has said that he is very confident in the company being able to start production, ramp up production, and sell all the vehicles that it produces. So that is very confidence inspiring for those who are looking to invest in Canoo. So because of supply chain issues, Mr. Aguilar said that production at the Arkansas plant will be pushed probably to the fourth quarter of 2022 and possibly into the first quarter of 2023. It just depends on how things play out as we get closer to the specified time period. However, he says he's not worried. This is from the CEO. He's not too worried about the Oklahoma plant because that is still a ways off, and he thinks that it might be coming 2023, if not 2024. So the focus right now, from what I could understand from that interview he gave to a major press outlet, is that he is more concerned with the Arkansas plant, getting everything there in place and then ramping up production, which is what everybody is looking at. So just for a heads up, Canoo is one of the major EV manufacturers, and they have a lot of IP per their CEO, and the IP just by itself is worth a lot. And on top of that, they also signed a contract with NASA, which is the National Aeronautics and Space Administration in the United States, to provide crew transport for the Artemis lunar mission. So NASA is going to launch a series of a mission, to take man back to the moon. And if you guys have been watching the recent transportation of astronauts to space, you would notice that when they get to the launch pad, they get into these vehicles. And so far, I think they've been using Tesla for the past couple of launches. And Artemis has, for the Artemis mission back to the moon, it's Canoo that has landed that contract, and they have these very beautiful and futuristic looking vehicles that they will use for that mission. And just to also add a little bit more knowledge from what I've gathered to Canoo, is that they are actually building what you would call a platform. And the platform is an EV platform, and then you can build up the final vehicle to the specifications of your unique needs. So one of the targets that they have on site is a tradesman. So a typical pickup truck buyer, that's what it means. And so Canoo has its sight set on that business segment, that segment of the market, and I think it's a very, very lucrative segment. Pickup trucks by far over the past couple of years are sold. People use them to go grocery shopping, to pull vehicles, to go to the hardware shop. So pickups are very, very handy, and their utility is unquestionable. And that's the target that Canoo is trying to hit. So that's the recap about Canoo for the week. They ended the week very strong compared to their peers, and it's a good thing that for the past 48 hours, the past two trading sessions, we have seen a rise in all of the major stock market indices. So that is what I have to share with you guys about Canoo, and hopefully I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for your time, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.